Citi Strata Elite Card Review. Are the benefits worth $595 annually? So, what you can get from this? So, the perks are they offer welcome bonuses where you can earn a lot per month. You can also get a lot of other benefits, including a reward rate, which is 12 times points on hotels, car rentals, and attractions booked through citytravel.com. They even offer a 6 times at restaurants. Now for the credits and statement benefits, you can get up to $300 annual hotel credit, up to $200 per storage credit, and up to 200 Blacklane Chauffeur credit per year. So, let's talk about what not so great about it, which is its cost and limitations. They have a steep annual fee, which is around $595, and some of the credits are conditional, which means, if example, hotel stay must be 2 nights or more via city travel, and the some points is also restricted for Friday and Saturday nights, and the launch access are also via Admiral's Club, which is limited to 4 passes per year, not unlimited. And there are some travels you don't often or use launch like hotel benefits, and you might not get near enough the value. So overall, although it can be worth it, but only if you regularly use many of the benefits. So if your spending and travel patterns match well with the perks, you can offset much or even all of the fee, and that's how you can use to benefit it yourself.